gonna do?
We're gonna go apple picking.
Say it again.
We're gonna go apple picking.
What you gonna do? You wanna sit next to me? Come on, baby.
Me want honey crisp. Me want honey crisp.
Malia, all right, guys, how was apple picking?
Good.
What else do you have? Ooh, we got some lovely popcorn. Dear, how was it?
It's huge.
Yummy for my tummy.
And how were the apples?
Yummy for my tummy. It was juicy, it was crispy, it was popping when you bite into it. They're like, pow! Great. That's what you know when the apple is good. When you bite into it, you hear like cry out like, pow! When I bite in the apple, it's pow, water splashing everywhere, liquid flashing. Pow! I was like, whoa, this apple is so sweet. Man, I had the honey crisp. They were so big. Left. That's working.
Yes.
Yeah, it was so good.
So, would you come to this farm again?
Definitely. The trees were small. I think it was great. They were, you know, not too big.
But small and perfect height.
Small, perfect height for the kids, you know. And I was able to stand on my feet and reach and get some apples. So it was great. Honeycrisp apple was like on point. My favorite. Yeah, I'm a Honeycrisp apple guy.
What are you doing?
What's the name of this one again?
Tougas Family Farm.
Tougas Family Farm.
Woo!
I recommend it. Yeah.
What did you think, ladies? How was the apple picking?
It was so much fun.
Would you go there again?
I would love to.
What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was when we went to the park.
Oh, when you went to the park? What did you see at the park?
My favorite was the park.
Yeah?
And
What did you see at the park that you liked?
the thing I liked at the park was the tractor.
Tractor.
And the car. I like the tractor too.
Yeah?
And I also like the car. Also, I like the whole park.
You liked the whole park? What was your favorite apple? Did you enjoy the apples?
My name was Honeycrisp.
Honeycrisp? Renee, how about you? Did you like the Golden Delicious or the Honeycrisp?
The golden delicious.
Okay.
Oh, then
So would we go there again?
Yeah.
Renee, you want to go there again?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, good times with good people.
Yeah.
Go get that foot out of here.
Yeah. Let's go again. Yeah.
One more time for the road.
Yeah. Let's go again. Yeah.